Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Udemy for LinkedIn learning achievements, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate your Udemy achievements for LinkedIn learning, follow these steps. First, log in to your Udemy account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your username in the upper right corner. Select the Achievements tab to view your completed courses. Locate the course you wish to authenticate. Click on the course title to open the course details. On the course details page, find the option to share or certificate. Click on the sharing option to access your certificate. You may see the option to generate a shareable link. Copy this unique link to your clipboard. Next, log in to your LinkedIn account. Go to your LinkedIn profile by clicking on your profile photo. Scroll down to the Licenses and Certifications section. If this section is not visible, you may need to add it from the Add Profile section menu. Click on the plus icon to add a certification. Fill in the certification name with the course title from Udemy. For the issuing organization, type Udemy. Paste the link you copied from Udemy into the credential URL field. Add the completion date if prompted. If applicable, check the box for "This certification does not expire." Finally, click on Save to complete the process. Your Udemy achievement is now authenticated on your LinkedIn profile. You can verify this by visiting your profile and checking the Licenses and Certifications section. Congratulations on enhancing your professional profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and correct. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.